Welcome to HB classes. This is Haribabu. Today I am going to explain very important maths trick. This is very useful in school level as well as college level for any competitive examination. Now look at the question, what it says. Find the average of all odd numbers up to 100. We need to find the average of all odd numbers. We are finding as the average of all odd numbers. So up to 100. Up to 100 means we need to understand 1 to 100 we are taking it. 1 to 100 we are taking it. Now before we get into this, I will just ask average of 1 to 6 odd numbers. 1 to 6 odd numbers. So how are you going to write it as a 1 to 6 odd numbers? We'll write as a 1 plus 3 plus 5 divided by 3. Usually we are going to write like this. So how much are you going to get? 9 divided by 3, which is equal to 3. This is very simple number. Because I am taking the average of 1 to 6 odd numbers, I am getting 3. Simple one. Now here my question is, I am going to take it as a 1 to 100 or 1 to 1000, 1 to 1 lakh I can take it. So how we are going to calculate it for this? So usually if we have to write it for the 1 to 100 odd numbers, so how we are going to write it here? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 etc. plus 97 plus 99, we write like this, plus divided by how many numbers are there. So this is the process we are going to follow whenever we are solving as a odd number between the particular number. So I am going to teach one small trick. With this trick, you will be able to find the solution within 15 seconds. So we have to add all these numbers and divide by this. It will take a lot of time. So what I am going to teach the trick, with the trick, we will be able to find within 15 seconds. Now what I am going to do, I will write it as a, what is the first number? So you can write first odd number. So what will be the first odd number? That will be 1. So what will be the last odd number? Last odd number between 1 to 100 is 99. The last odd number is 99. Now our question is what? We need to find the average. For finding the average, now what I am going to write it? So I will write it as average of odd numbers. Average of odd numbers between 1 to 100. Between 1 to 100, which is equal to first odd number plus last odd number divided by 2. So what I have written here, look at carefully. So the first odd number, what is the first odd number here? According to the question, what is the first odd number? 1. What is the last odd number? 99 divided by 2. So that is, you will get it as a 50. Very simple one. What is the first odd number? What is the last odd number? We are going to divide it. So now in the similarly, if any number they are asking, for example, if we have to find it as an odd number between 1 to 80, then what are you going to write it? 1 plus 79 divided by 2, which is equal to 40. Odd numbers. Now we'll do another sum, that is find the average of all even numbers between 1 to 60. We need to find the even numbers between 1 to 60. So now first we'll write it as what is the first even number? What will be the first even number between 1 to 60? That is 2. So last even number. Last even number. So what will be the last even number? Make sure that it is not 60. But our question says between 1 to 60 between. So what will be the last even number? 58. So now we have to find the average of even numbers between 1 to 60. Even numbers between 1 to 60. So that is, we'll write it as a first even number plus last even number upon 2. First even number plus last even number upon 2. So that is how much you will get? 2 plus 58 divided by 2, that is 60 divided by 2, you are going to get the 30. So we don't need to write it as a 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 etc. 56, 58, we don't need to write and divide it by this. So with the help of this we can able to calculate as a for the even number also, for odd number also. If this video is benefit for you, please press the like button, subscribe it and share it. Thank you for watching.